Folks, it's me again. I was cutting concrete the other day. Diamond bit. This thing went. I never really realized how good these things are in concrete. Put them in the bill. Put them in the bill. Put them in the grinder and they just grind away. Then I was stripping some old junk. But that's not on my agenda today. Because today is on the agenda. I picked up some. I needed some more of these. Merlin. Well, I didn't need these exact brand, but they were 1/4-inch adapters. I don't even know if they fit in the right. I don't know if I bought the right ones, but I hope so, because I got some air tools that need these things. I ran out of nipples and stuff, and so I figured instead of spending $1 million, I'll go to Harbor Freight and buy some. I'm gonna check to see. I don't remember what size I have in my garage already. I bought it with it. Is our Merlin 14-piece color-coded industrial coupler. Color-coded? Why are they color-coded? That's them colorblind. Seems weird after all. There are 6 male plugs, 6 female plugs, 2 male couplers, 2 female couplers, all 1/4-inch NPT. All male threads come with thread sealant pre-applied. Scratchers and anodized coating for optimal wear versus traditional aluminum sleeves. Traditional aluminum, I used to get these other weird ones. But, so yeah, that's the Merlin brand. They weren't too expensive. There's the back of the box. And let's see. They work okay? Are these like twist off ones? Oh, there we go. Pull it backwards. Yeah. Let me get an air tool and see if it fits. See if I bought the wrong one. See if I bought the wrong one. Yeah, let's get the air tool. The hairy tool. Let's get the hairy tool. Where's the hair tool? Something that won't bite my fingers. Did I buy the right one? So here's my Chicago Pneumatic. All these fancy connectors, huh? Will it fit in there? My dirty. Oh, cool. Look at that. Does the job. I used to like doing this. Whoa! Oops. Didn't expect to go that far. Go. So you can play a game. Video game. And boom! They go pretty far, these things. But anyway, before I throw them all over the floor, there was a reason I bought them, and in another video I'll show you. But it comes with all this, which is pretty good. They're actually made pretty cool. They're not Merlin. I should buy extra ones, actually. I wanted to see how they were before I opened them up. I need a few more of these. What is the reason why I'm buying all these? I'm planning on buying one of those things that collect their walls, but I have a few air tools that are missing these. And I have a couple of them that are worn out. So I'm not going to spend $1 million on these things. I have a drawer it's going to. But it's pretty cool. They have red and blue. I just wonder, like, why would you use red and blue? I mean, they're cool. Yeah, I think the old ones are what? This color? Dirt. Dirt color. So yeah, I've had this probably 10 years, this thing. CP 875 die grinder, 22,500 RPM, PSI 6.2 bar. Rock Hill, whatever, me in Taiwan. Anyway, thanks for watching. One more video and I'm done after this.